Okay, you're on tape. Go ahead. Go ahead. Pop up. There she is. Her. Who's that? Tina? I love you. I love you. Give me a kiss. You go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. What? What? Okay. Okay. Got the beat though. Judy. You dancing? You singing to yourself? Woo! What? What cow? What cow? Huh? Okay. Okay. Tina's gotta go work. You want Tina to go to work? Huh? What? What should we say? Come here. Bye. Okay, I'll see you later. Love you. I love you. Okay. Love you. What's a cat say? What's a cow? No, a cat. Meow. Hello. Come there. Stupid. Pretty bird, the baby. Happy berry. The baby. Happy baby. Oh, pretty bird. Hello. I love you. You want to come here and get you up? Mama? Nerd. Come here. I want to get up. I'll get out. Huh? Pretty. Hello. Go to bed, bitch. Uh-oh. Go to bed, bitch. Go to bed. She wants more soda. Wow. Wow. Go to bed, bitch. What? 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 Huh? What? Hurt James, bitch. What? Okay. What? Oh, she barks too, you heard? Hello? Hello? You're, go ahead. Go ahead. We're waiting. Oh, no. Oh, stupid. I got a doggy. Oh, nerd. Go to bed. You want to go to bed so you call the mommy? Give me a kiss. Okay, give me a kiss. Love you. I love you. I love you. Give me a kiss. I love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay. Give me a kiss. Okay. Don't give me kisses for soda. Watch.
Oh shit, moment of truth.
Soda and coffee.
Soda and coffee.
Say coffee, bitch.
Diddy's a caffeine addict.
What'd you do that for? Oh,
Yeah,
she
damn,
just
this
assumed I
nigga,
wanted to
look.
kiss. Did you see her?
He's like in some
Watch.
kind of fucking lair and shit. What the fuck is this nigga doing all the way down here?
It's as powerful as its pretty.
Oh, it's a street sweeper! 350,000.
Ready to give this one a try?
No,
Sorry,
not yet.
son, I can't just give this stuff.
Oh, we gotta go make some money now. I'm about to rob Midtown Bank here.
What you laughing at? What are you laughing at? Give me a kiss. Ooh, Petey. Come here, give me a kiss. I love you. I love you. Give me. I love you. Ooh, it's a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Look up. Huh? Go to bed. Come down. Up. Give me up. I'm done
It's a
seeing
bomb
that.
farm, yo. You're supposed to destroy the struck farm.
Destroy it.
Yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of bad guys. Yes, we might get away with it.
I love you.
There's guys in there. We're not supposed to be there.
I love you.
I can't talk, bro. Ain't shit.
I love you.
Stay out of my way.
I love you. What can't say? Oh, I'm going to fire. Marcus. Hello. What? The drug guy. Mimi. Bye-bye.